Hi there everyone, LifeDIYJosie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Cut out the lids from 2 empty bags of wipes. Remove or peel off any excess materials. Make sure that you remove everything, leaving the lids bare. You will need to also remove the sticker label on the top cover of the lids. It should look something like this. Get a thin cardboard or cardstock. I'm using this empty box of alcohol pads, and I'm just trying to reuse and recycle things so I don't have to waste any money. And then I'm cutting that out to the shape of the frame where the hole is. Trim it to size, make sure that everything is covered. You only need 1 piece of cardboard, not 2. Don't worry about the label print because this will be covered by a decorative paper or gift wrapper, which I cut to size so that it will cover the cardboard or cardstock. You can save time if you already have a decorative cardstock. You don't need to cover it with this paper, but since I have an extra gift wrapping paper in this buffalo check design, I decided to just cover that and applying Mod Podge to cover that cardboard with this decorative paper. Trim off any excess, apply hot glue using your hot glue gun, and then attach that covered cardstock to cover the hole of one of the lids, and then trim any excess paper just to make sure that you have a clean finish. And then add the second lid to that decorative cardstock that you attached to the first hole. So make sure that the other hole will be attached to this decorative cardstock. So apply the hot glue onto the frame of the hole and then eyeball it so that it will match and align to the first lid. Apply pressure on both lids to ensure that they are connected properly and securely. Since connecting the two created a gap in between, I am covering that so that it will have a finished look. I have this ribbon dispenser that I created using a skinny basket from Dollar Tree, and I used a dowel rod. And I am choosing this white ribbon with black dots to coordinate or complement the colors of the black and white buffalo checks design of the paper that I used to cover the cardstock. I'm just applying hot glue to the gap, and then I attach the ribbon to cover the gaps. This ribbon has a dual purpose. It ensures a finished and beautiful appearance, as well as ensuring a secured connection between the two lids. Using the same gift wrapping paper, since I have so many excess on this one, I am tracing the lid so that I can do a couple of cutouts there so that I can cover both sides, the front and the back of this container. This is now a container that I have created, and I am going to be connecting or attaching this cutout papers on both sides using my Mod Podge as well. Trim any excess for a neater, cleaner look. And it is done. So I have this small pair of scissors, and I have also these buttons, threads, and pins and needles. So this can be a sewing kit that can fit inside my bag. It can also work as a pillbox, as you can see here. I'm adding this red ribbon with white polka dots to add contrast and for additional decoration. It can function also as additional lock, but it doesn't need it. It's already good as it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!